Did you know you can stop coughing in less than a day without pills? With this 100% natural remedy, you can get rid of dry cough, soothe a sore throat, clear phlegm, and open up your lungs. What if you could stop that terrible cough with just a few ingredients at home? Let's uncover a fact. Lemon has an expectorant effect that loosens phlegm, and its high vitamin C content strengthens the immune system. Imagine the benefits. You'll soothe your throat, fight infections, and feel immediate relief, all naturally. Here's how to make it. You'll need 3 lemons. Wash them, extract the juice, and cut the peels into pieces. Next, take 5 tablespoons of honey. Honey coats the irritated throat and fights infections. In a pot, place the honey, add the lemon juice and peels. Cook for 10 minutes and your remedy is ready. How to consume it? Take 3 tablespoons a day for immediate relief. Store it in a glass container. Your cough and sore throat will be gone before